Hey, what's up, fam? This is Cooking with Manual Focus. Hey, I know we're all about getting in the game in the kitchen. Today, we're gonna be conquering sesame chicken. Let me tell you, it's absolutely delicious, flavorful, and it's one of my favorite takeouts, but we're gonna make this at home today. So hey, let's get these ingredients, which will be in the description box below, and we're gonna focus on this absolutely delicious sesame chicken. Hey, let's get in the game. Now, fam, this is what I'm working with chicken-wise. I got me about 2 pounds of chicken thighs. Now, with this chicken thigh, what I want to do is I want to cut about 1 inch in length like that. Hey, this right here will be a perfect size for a nice little chunk of chicken, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do that, across these chicken thighs. Now, if you do have a longer piece like this right here that I'm about to cut, what you can do is you can take that and then you can cut it in half, and then you got you 2 nice little chunks like that. Now, if you want to use chicken breasts or chicken tenderloins, you can also do what you like. Now we're gonna make us a batter so we can get this chicken all nice and crispy. We're going in with 2 egg whites. So we'll go ahead and separate this yolk from this egg. Then we got some flour. Then we're gonna go in with some cornstarch, a little bit of soy sauce, and then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of water. We're gonna get this mix. And this should be the consistency that you're working with right there. And I'm gonna add a little bit of kosher salt, about 1 teaspoon's worth. And then I'm gonna hit it with some pepper. And you can pretty much do this to your taste. I want to over salt it or over pepper it because that sesame sauce is going to be flavorful enough. So this is what we want. We in the game. So what we do now is just add our chicken in, and we're going to get our chicken coated in this batter. And then we're going to go from the batter to the frying pan. Get your pan ready, start heating it up. 350 degrees, that's where you want to go. Hey, if you want to double fry these, fry it one time, get it nice and golden brown, then take it back in and then get it nice and extra crispy. Hey, bring it up to 375 and you'll be in the game, fam. Hey, since you're working with raw chicken, make sure that you're washing your hands through each step and that you're not cross-contaminating anything. So I'm gonna wash my hands. Hey, let's get in the game. All right, fam, so we sitting at 350 degrees. Hey, you wanna get your probe thermometer. Hey, but you already know OGs don't need thermometers, but it's good to have one in the kitchen. Now we're gonna take our chicken and we're gonna drop it in this hot grease. And you don't wanna overcrowd your pan. And don't be slow when putting this chicken in because you want it to cook relatively at the same time. But again, you'll notice when your chicken's ready, it'll be nice and golden brown. You don't have to rush it, fam. You'll be in the game. For best results, cook these in batches. Again, so you don't overcrowd your pan. And then as you put your chicken in this pan, fam, it's gonna cool down because it's cool chicken, hot grease. 8 to 2, it's gonna try to equal out. So that's why you don't crowd your pan, fam. Now, when you're a little ways into cooking, you wanna flip these. I don't have them totally submerged, which is fine too. Just a tiny little flip would do. Now, as these become lightly golden brown like this right here, hey, you can remove them from the grease. They good to go. 5 to 7 minutes. Hey, you in the game, fam. All right, we got this last batch coming out looking oh so good and golden brown, fam. Hey, we got to move on to the sauce. We got to get these things sauced up. All right, fam, we got our batches of chicken done. Hey, they golden brown. Hey, I had to cheat, give me a little taste, and it's absolutely delicious. Let's make this sesame sauce. Hey, we got us some wine. I ain't even gonna try to pronounce the name, but it's gonna be in the description box below, fam. Rice wine vinegar. Got us a little bit of sesame oil. Some soy sauce. Got you some ketchup. We got our brown sugar. And then, fam, we got our honey. So we'll mix the sauce. We're gonna let this come up to a light simmer, and we want to allow this to thicken. Don't rush this part of the process. You don't want a thin sauce. You want a nice thick and sticky sauce so it can stick and coat to that absolutely delicious chicken that you made. So this sauce is ready to go, and as you see, I throw that sauce on the side of that pan like that, and if it coats like that, hey, we are in the game. So what we want to do is we want to get our chicken, that absolutely delicious chicken that we fried. Like I said, if you want it extra crispy, you can double fry it if you like. Let's go ahead and add that chicken back in. It's smelling absolutely delicious. That sesame sauce, I'm telling you, fam, you're gonna be in the game. So what we'll do is we'll get everything tossed in that sauce, because you that boss. And then there can't be sesame chicken without sesame seeds. So we're gonna add some of those in there, and we're gonna finish mixing it. Hey, that sauce is nice. Hey, it's done did its thing. All we gotta do is get us a bowl of rice. Hey fam, we are in the game. And then we'll sprinkle a little bit more sesame seeds on there. All right, fam, there you have it. You got your absolutely delicious homemade sesame chicken. And you already know I got to get in the game and give this a taste test. Hey, fam, try this out and you're going to be in the game too. Hey, let me go down and get me one of those pieces of those nicely cooked chunks of sesame chicken. And hey, cheers, fam. Now that right there, hey, that's absolutely delicious. Hey fam, let me tell you, that's absolutely delicious. No need for takeout. Hey, you got this in your home, fam. And I'm about to get me another bite of this. Hey, you in the game. Hey, if you're new to my channel and you like this content and you found value in this video, hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, and tell your family and friends that Cooking with Manual Focus got you in the game. Now, my Focus fam, you already know I'm about to get back in the game, and I'm gonna smash into the sesame chicken, and we'll see you guys on the next recipe. We're in the game.